Today we're announcing that Pacific Air Show will be returning to Huntington Beach October 4th, 5th, and 6th, 2024. This is just a preview of the types of things you can expect when we build a temporary runway on the sand. Airplanes on the beach and their first response is "let's do it," you know you're in the right place.